With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's start the given question. The question says that the standard reduction potential at 25 degrees Celsius for the given reaction is minus 0.8277. Calculate the equilibrium constant for the reaction. Now we have to calculate the equilibrium constant. So firstly what we are going to do is write down the reactions. So firstly let's write down the reaction which is taking place at anode. So at anode we are having the reaction of H2 reacting with 2OH negative to give H2O plus 2 electrons, and the E naught here, that is the E naught oxidation potential here, is 0.827 volt. The reaction which is taking place at cathode is what? It is 2H plus 2 electron forming H2 plus, and we know that E naught here will be equal to 0. That is the E naught reduction potential. So it means that the net reaction here will be equal to what? The net reaction will be adding these two reactions. So 2 electron and 2 electron will get cancelled here, and H2 and H2 will also get cancelled here. So the net reaction will become 2H plus 2OH negative giving 2H2. So when we will calculate K here, that is K equilibrium, it will come out to be what? It will come out to be concentration of product, that is H2O, raised to the stoichiometry divided by concentration of the reactant, which is H plus raised to the power 2, OH negative raised to the power 2. Now for this reaction we have calculated K equilibrium. Now what about Kw? Because we know here that Kw is what? Ionic product of water, which is equal to what? Which is nothing but H plus into OH negative ion. So this is your ionic product of water, and we know that from here we can find out that K is what? K is nothing but the reciprocal of the ionic product only here, raised to the 2. Also from here we can calculate E cell. E cell is what? E cell will be E naught oxidation potential plus E naught reduction potential, and we know both the values here, right? So let's calculate E here, that is the E cell will be equal to E naught oxidation potential minus 0.059 divided by 2 electrons are involved here, so divided by 2 log concentration of H2O raised to the power 2 divided by H2 concentration into OH negative concentration raised to the power 2. So, and you have to add the reduction potential values here also. So it will become equal to E naught reduction potential plus 0.059 divided by 2 log, and then write down the value of H plus 2 divided by H2. This is from the reduction and oxidation reactions of anode and cathode that we are calculating E cell. So that means E cell will become what? Add all these values. So E cell will become equal to 0.827, which is E naught oxidation potential, because E naught reduction potential is 0. Then add the value 0.059 divided by 2. This is the common value here. It will become log H plus 2 OH negative raised to the power 2 divided by H2O square. Now from this we know that it will become log 1 by K. Why log 1 by K? Because if you see here, what is K? K is H2O square divided by H plus square and OH negative square, which is just the reciprocal of this value. So it will become equal to 0.827 plus 0.059 divided by 2, and this, then what we will have to do is write down log 1 divided by k. This is your second equation. Now from this what we can do is, we know that E cell is equal to what? It will become 0.827 plus 0.059 divided by 2 log kW square, which we earlier have also written here, log kW square. We also know at equilibrium, we have to consider here the equilibrium condition. So at equilibrium, E cell is equal to 0. So from this what we can do is, since E cell is coming out to be 0 here, so that means the value will become minus 0.827 equal to 0.059 log kW, and we can calculate log kW from this. So log kW is coming out to be 0.827. Divide this value by 0.059. 0.059. So from this we can calculate kW value. Divide this value and then take the anti-log of it. So the final answer will come around how much? It will come around 9.35 upon solving into 10 raised to the power minus 15. So this is your final answer to the question. Right? So this is your kW value. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.